In this video we're going to look at how to get free shares, and what I'm doing is I'm updating you with my results. So on Tuesday, which was exactly 5 days ago, I went ahead and recorded a video and uploaded it to YouTube about a simple way how to get free shares. Now what I looked at, or what I shared with you, was how you could go ahead and download a free app, and once you'd got that free app, then we looked at how you could get given a free share which was worth up to £100. Now the company, they're 100% legitimate, they've been around for a number of years, they are FCA regulated, and they're also backed by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. So they're a really legitimate company. They've had over 14 million downloads of their app over on the App Store and the Google Store. So in this video what I will do is, if you missed part 1, I'll drop a link down below for you, and I'll also give you a brief overview of this, but I'm going to share with you my results. I'm going to show you exactly how much I earned, how I was able to earn that, and we'll just go through the entire process. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. If this is the first time you're on the channel, then hello and welcome to all my regular viewers and subscribers. Thanks for coming back and watching. So in this video we're going to go ahead and I'll share with you my results and exactly how much I was able to earn. But let's just go back to the beginning of this process and how you can go ahead and get set up with this. So let me jump over here. No, not there. Let's go over here. So this is the company that we're looking at. It's called Trading 212. Now this is the website. Now we'll just go through and show you some of the stuff on here. But basically, this is the company, and what they're currently doing is they're running a promotion at this moment in time. They're running a loss leading promotion. So basically what that means is they're prepared to spend a little bit of money up front to get more people on the platform, because they're hoping to earn and recoup this money on the back end. So they're hoping that people come onto the platform, they start using their services and start investing more. So this is a loss leading promotion, and this is like a standard practice in the marketing online world. All of the big companies do this. Amazon do this, Netflix have done this, Apple do this. You go on Google and just simply put in loss leading marketing, and you'll see lots of examples. But this company here, what they're doing is they're doing this promotion, and you can see here you can get a free share worth up to £100. Now how do you go ahead and get a free share? Well, first of all, you need to be invited onto the platform. So you see here, you were invited to Trading 212 Invest. Get a free share by opening an account now. But before we do that, let's just go ahead and have a look at this a bit closer. So if I scroll down the page, this is the website. Come down here, you can see they've currently had over 14 million downloads. They've had 40,000 customer reviews, and you can go ahead, you can get the app. It's available on the usual places, the App Store and the Google Play Store. Come down here, you can see so it's free investing, and it's for real. So there's zero commission on any tradings or stocks that you go ahead and do. There's no maintenance charges, no fees, etc, etc. Now what I will say to you, if you're watching this and you're thinking I have no idea about stocks and shares, then don't worry. You do not need any skills, you do not need any knowledge to go ahead and do this. It's just a simple case of opening an account, doing what they ask you to do, and then you'll get given a free share, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But if you come down here, you can see these are all of the different stock exchanges that they're going ahead and trading on. So you can see these are the biggest exchanges in the world. You've got the Nasdaq, you've got the London Stock Exchange, and all of the other ones. So scroll down here, you've got all of their fees here. So you can see here all of their zero fees compared to other different companies offering these. But if you come down here, this is the important part. So Trading 212 is authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. Now to go ahead and get this here, this Financial Conduct Authority, this company will have had to jump through many hoops to go ahead and get this. Getting into the Financial Conduct Authority, it's not a simple thing. So you cannot just set up a trading account or set up a trading website and then just put these claims on here. You have to go through a long process to be backed by the Financial Conduct Authority. And then you can also see here, funds are kept safe by all of your funds are kept safe by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. So this is a 100% legitimate company. I have absolutely no concerns or worries recommending this to you. You can see they've been featured on Financial Times, over in the Forbes magazine, and many more on here. Now you can go ahead and come, and again I'll drop a link to their website below for you. You can come and check all of this out. But you can see they've been around since 2006. So they've been around for 13 years, and they're a huge company. And again, they've got all links here over to the social profiles, so go ahead and check them out. But basically how this works is, scroll up to the top here, what you do is the link down below. So the first part of this is you can only go ahead and get access. You can only go ahead and get one of these free shares up to £100 if you get invited to the platform. So below the video there's a link to the platform, and I'll tell you right off the bat, if you go ahead and click that link down below, then I will also get a free share. So what happens is you get a free share and I will also earn a free share. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to come over to this page here and open an account. Now you can do this via the website, or you can, simply come over to one of these apps here and just download it on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So this is how it looks over on the App Store, and this is basically exactly how it will look on your phone. So you can come over here and look, you can check out all of the reviews down here and go through and have a look at this and check out the pictures on here, but it's a really simple process. So what you do is you go ahead, you download the app, and then you go and put in your information, so name, address, date of birth, etc. And then once you've done all of that and you've gone through and put all your information in, you need to make a small deposit. And now it's not a big deposit, it's £1 or your currency's alternative. So whether you're an American, it's the dollar, or the euro in Europe, whatever. So you go ahead and you do a small deposit of £1, and do not do any more, because even I showed this to a friend of mine and he actually went ahead and put £30 in because he thought he was going to get 30 shares. You don't, you only get one free share. So once you've made that deposit for £1, and that's gone into your trading 212 account, you will then get given a free share within one working business day. Now you do not know what the share is, and that is this bit here. So you can see you can get a free share worth up to £100. So let me go ahead very quickly and get my phone, and I'll show you my trading account. So like I said, this was 5 days ago now. So this here, that there, can you see that? Hopefully you can do. So currently I've got £72.65 in there. So I put in £1 and I got £72.65. Now very quickly, I'm just scrolling down here, apologies. What I'm doing is I'm just going back to my account when I first opened this, and the first share that I got given was, let me scroll down here. So the first share I got given was a General Electric share, and that was worth $10.28. And then what happened was, obviously, I shared this with a few different people. I shared this with my sister. She went ahead and opened up an account, and a few of my friends opened up accounts. And then I got different shares. So again, I'll try and show you this here. So I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can do. I'll just move it around a little bit. But then I got given another General Electric share at $10.32. I then also got given one share of a company called Simanatic. And that was worth $22.78. So the free share that you get given, it can be worth up to £100, but you don't know which share you're going to go ahead and get. Now if I scroll back up here, let me go over here. So I did this video, this one here, this is a video that I did 5 days ago. Now if I scroll down here, one of the viewers called Alistair, he went ahead and tested this out. Now very quickly, let me just go ahead and show you on here. So he'd gone and left a comment, and I know he did this. Okay, so you can see on here, he'd put some comments on here, but basically he went ahead, did exactly what I showed in the video, downloaded the app, created an account, he did a deposit for £1, and then Alistair also got a General Electric share worth $10.30, so £7.94. for absolutely free. So what Alistair could do with his money is he could go ahead and withdraw that, or if he wanted to go ahead and share that link to go ahead and invite people to the platform, then somebody else would get a free share and he would also get another free share. And that's basically how they're doing that. They're just trying to get more people on the platform using that by running this loss leading promotion. But in terms of the promotion, it's very, very good, because it's free, isn't it? It's absolutely free. So you go ahead and recommend this to someone, they get a free share, and also you will get a free share. And one thing to note, let me just go ahead and flick over to here. The one thing you need to know with this is this here. So when you start, what happens is you go ahead and you open a free trading account. Now I apologise, I put all this in caps locks, but there's two different accounts you can open. There's the free trading account, or there's a CFD account. Now you can see here, not the CFD account. If you open up a CFD account, then you will not get given the free share. So you download the app, you open up a free trading account, you then make a deposit. You then make a deposit via, let me move this up here. You make a deposit for £1 and you do that via a bank card or Skrill or these other payments on there. I mean, I personally went ahead and just deposited via Skrill. Skrill's similar to PayPal. So once you've done your £1 deposit, you then get given a free share worth up to £100. Now, again, you don't know what that's going to be. You'll just get given whichever free share that they go ahead and give to you in your account. So basically, what I'm going to do with this is, I'm currently on, what am I currently on? I forgot how much I had in there. Let me just go back. So I've currently got £72.65 in this account. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to wait until this gets up to £100, and then once I've got that £100, I'm going to take that and I'm going to invest that into probably some different cryptocurrencies. In fact, I might even do an update on that about how we took £1 and turned it into £1 million or something. But what I'll do is, again, I'll keep you updated on there, but I like to share my results with you on this channel. So that is today's video. That is how you can go ahead and get a free share worth up to £100. It's simple, it's easy, it will cost you £1. It's a 100% legitimate company, and again, I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned below for you. If you've got any questions, then go ahead and let me know. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.